Second, today we will do the worksheet. Page number 7017. You can see here your question number 1 is WRITE, write THE the numbers. Write the numbers. Okay. So here in this one box, it has 100 boxes. In one box has 100 boxes. So this is the 100, this is the 100, and this is the 100. And this one vertical line has 10 boxes. So it has 10 boxes. So it is 110, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. Okay. So this is the 100, 100, 200 and the 300. Why? Because it has 300 boxes. So 100 repeats 3 times. So 100 plus 100 plus 100. So it has 300 boxes. And this is the in tens lines 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plus 6 multiply 10 equal to plus 60 boxes, and this is the ones. Okay, so 300 100 है ना, तो 300 6 tens and the ones. 6 tens means 60. In this 1, 2, 3 and 4. So this is the 100, 200, 300 and the 400 and the 500. So it has a 5 number of boxes, 500, and this is tens 1, 2, 3, 4. If you count the number of boxes, see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and the 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4 tens. And the number of ones equal to 1, 2, 3 and the 4. 4 ones. Now your question number 2 is REPRESENT. Represent. Represent the GIVEN given NUMBERS numbers on the abacus. Represent the given numbers on the abacus means this 5 number you have to draw the 5 number of beads. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. You have to draw number of beads. 7, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And here 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here you have to draw number of beads. 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then the 9. Here 0 means you have to draw nothing. Here 5. So draw number of beads. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and the 5. Your question number 3. WRITE, write the numerals for the following. Write the numerals for the following. You have to give one. First of all, write down 100, tens and the ones. So 3 in 100 place. So write down 3. 60. 60 means 60. So you have to write down 60. Its answer is 360. Again 5 in 100 place. So 500. And what is here? Dot 90. It's a 19 means 19. 772 means at the 100 place 7, at the tens and ones if we combine then it's a 72. Okay, got it? 909. So 100 tens and the ones. In 100 which come 9. So write down 9. and 9, nothing given at the 10th place, so write down that place 0 and 909. Okay. Your second question is write the number name. Here 2 in which place? First of all, write down 100, ones, tens and the 100. The 2 in 100 place, so write down 200. Then combine these both tens and ones. 4 7 make 47. FORTY 47. Now here 5 at the 100 place, so 500. Combine these tens and ones. 45. Here 9 at the 100 place, so 999. NINETY 99. Here 6 at the 100 place, so 670. SEVENTY. Here question number 5 is WRIT. Write the place value of the given digit. You can see here 2 at the 1 place, so write down 2. 7 at the 10 place, so if we multiply 7 with 10, its place value is 17. 2 at the 100 place, so 2 with multiply 100 equal to 200. Here 4 at the 1 place, multiply with 1, 4. 9 at the 10 place, so 9 with multiply 10 equal to 90, and 8 with the multiply 100, so its place value is 800. Write the expanded form is Vistrut form. So 6 at the 100 place, so 600. Expanded form means we have to write down the place value of that digit between plus, put plus sign. So 6 at the 100 place, so write down 600, or another method is count after digit. After 6 how many digits? 1 and 2, so write down 20. Then take the 5. Then after 5 how many digit? Only 1 digit. Or 5 at the which place? 10th place. So in 10th, after 1 only 1 0, so write down 1 0, then 9. Here 500 0, then the 8. Write the short form. Short form is standard form. So if we write here 100, tens and the ones, so 4 at the 100 place, so write down 4. 8 at the 10 place, so write down 8, and then 6 at the 1 place. Again in this 700, because 1s, 10 and the 100, so 7 at the 100 place, then 50 at the 10 place, and nothing in the 1 place, so write down over there 0. Question number 8 is arrange the following in increasing order. Increasing means you have to arrange number from smallest to greatest. Smallest to greatest. So in this you can see 214 is smallest, okay, because here 2. Then take the 5. If you go in your scale from move from right to left, means in this way. Sorry, so here 0 1 2 3, so move from left to right. Then 2 come first, then after what will 5, so 5 0 6. After 5 what comes? 7. You have to check first of all 100 places, then take 809. Here what will come first? 1, then 188, then after 1 3 comes, so 343. Then after 5 come 560, then after 9 60. Question number 9, arrange the following in decreasing order. Decreasing means you have to write down the greatest value first, the GREA, greatest to smallest. Means in this you can see here 718 and 716. Here 7 7, both are same. Once at the 10th place, both are same. Here at the 1 place 8, here at the 1 place 6, so 8 is greater than the 6. If the number of digits are same and at the 100 place and the 10th digit also are same, then you have to check, just to check at the ones digit. So here at the one place 8 and here at the one place 6. So 8 is greater than the 6. So write down 780, then 716, then after 7 640. In your scale you have to move from left right to left in this way. So if 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, then 6 come first, then after 5, then after 4. So you have to move from in your scale left to right, right to left, sorry, right to left, in increasing order, left to right. Then at the last lowest value 505. Here you can see 1 2 6 and 5. So 6 come first. 6 1 9. Then after 5 2 6. Then after 2 6 7. At the last 1 2 9. Okay. So from the another period lecture we will start the additions. This is the worksheet for you. So write down in your notebook.